Samantala, sa trending and viral news, Lost in Glorieta, French TikToker, nagreklamo sa layout ng Glorieta. Viral ngayon sa TikTok ang video ng Manila-based na French national na si Julie, dahil naliligaw siya sa Glorieta Malls.
To the architect who designed the Glorieta Malls, I want your name and phone number because I have beef with you. This is unhinged. I've been here for 30 minutes trying to find my way out. I think I'm gonna die here. I need help. If you don't hear from me again, please send a rescue mission to the Glorieta Malls because I don't know where I am. I don't know which way to go. This place is a maze. It's a death trap. Here we are. I have eyes on the promised land. Hallelujah.
Viral online ang Manila-based na French TikToker na si Julie, nang nanawagan siya sa architect ng Glorieta, dahil isa umanong maze ang nasabing mall. I have beef with you, this is unhinged. I've been here 30 minutes trying to find my way out, sabi ni Julie.